I hate salad. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nyjee, but everyone calls me Nyjee, so you already know, you can call me Nyjee. So, funny story. Lately, I've been eating a lot of something that I really don't eat on a normal basis, which is salad. I hate salad. I feel like salad is for rabbits, and if God intended me to be a rabbit, I would eat rabbit food. I feel like salads have no flavor. I feel like they are boring. I feel like they don't do anything. Like, oh my God, I'm so full. Off of what? Leaves? No. So if I'm gonna have a salad, it needs to be flavorful. It needs to be something. So I'm gonna make what I've been eating a lot, and I've low-key been reaching for when it comes to a salad, but since it's fall, and I don't care what climate change says, it's fall. But because it's fall, I want to give it a little bit of a fall twist. So we're going to go pick up some supplies, and then we're going to start making the salad. So if that's something that you want to see, please keep on watching. So let's start with our ingredients, which include balsamic vinaigrette, honey, almonds, dried cranberries, and also some pomegranates. Now we're going to finally go to our leaves, but we're definitely not using this Italian mixed bag bullshit. We are going to use some beautiful organic baby arugula. This is the good stuff. Don't care how much arugula you're going to use, but for the love of God, please wash your salad. Please, there's so many germs. So I normally make my own vinaigrette, and I'm going to leave the recipe in the description, but I'm going to add honey, which is my favorite thing to do to my balsamic vinaigrette, and then we are going to start adding our ingredients to the salad bowl. I start with my dry ingredients first, and I always just give them a toss after every few ingredients. And to make this even more fall, I'm going to add apples because apples are in season in September. So just a little fun fact. I also like to put a little bit of pepper. I put salt in my balsamic vinaigrette, so I actually don't put more salt on top of my salad. I just add a little bit of pepper. At this point, you're probably like, girl, this is turning into a really big fruit salad.
Fruit salad, yummy, yummy.
But it's not, okay? I told you I need some kind of flavor to my salads, and then after all of the ingredients, I pour in my vinaigrette and give it a really good toss, and then I set it in the fridge just for maybe 5-10 minutes, just so everything can evaporate into the leaves. Y'all, I had to break it down in slow-mo for you. Do you see? This is a salad. This is something that I'll eat. This is something that doesn't remind me of 4 pieces of rabbit food and a tomato. This is it. Thank you guys so much for watching me create this salad. Now, on to my favorite part, enjoying the fruits of our labor. That's good. What was that? Stunning. I think that I have proven that you can have a salad and it be flavorful and it have ingredients that you actually like. And I'm happy. I'm about to probably tear this plate up and that whole bowl. So I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.